Potatoes not only provide us with daily nutrition, but are also very good for the heart, digestive system, and many other minerals. Potatoes are easy to grow. Just take advantage of small spaces and discarded containers in the family to grow. Please watch this video to see how easy it is to grow potatoes. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Before planting potato seedlings, we soak them in garlic water. Put some garlic in a cup, crush it, mix with water to soak the seed potatoes. Garlic repels insects, keeps potatoes healthy, provides nutrition, and prevents fungal diseases. We soak the potato seeds in garlic water for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we take out the seed potatoes and prepare to sow the seeds. We can use household items to make nursery pots to suit our needs. To sprout potatoes, this time I will show you a very simple and effective way to sprout potatoes using a plastic box and a wet towel. Line a plastic box with wet paper towels. Place the potatoes in it and cover the surface of the box with a layer of wet paper towels. Spray water to keep it moist. Store in a cool place. You see, growing potatoes is so simple. Just 5 days later, the potatoes have sprouted and now we can plant them. To grow potatoes this time, I used a broken baby bath to plant them. First, we must use a hot air blower to create drainage holes to avoid waterlogging after planting. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. To ensure long-term nutrition for potatoes, I use green manure, vegetables, and tubers to grow plants at low cost, without waste. We need to cut them into small pieces so that when planting potatoes can be put into containers without being bulky. Before planting potatoes, I will prepare the soil using organic fertilizer and rice husk mixed into the soil when planting. Rice husks provide long-term nutrition for plants, make the soil loose, have good antibacterial properties, and prevent erosion. I filled 1/2 of the potato planter with soil and sprinkled in the kitchen scraps I had prepared earlier. Then I continued to fill in the soil. This helps loosen the soil, and as it decomposes, it also provides nutrients for the roots. With this pot size, I will plant 3 points corresponding to 3 seed potatoes. After planting, I spread a layer of rice husks on the surface of the pot and watered to keep the soil moist for the potatoes to grow. Amazingly, after 15 days, the potato seeds I planted have sprouted and are about 20 centimeters tall. Now we can fertilize them. First, I will weed and till the soil to help loosen the soil, improve metabolism, and retain nutrients. To increase nutrition for potatoes to absorb immediately, I use vitamin B1 mixed with water to water the plants. Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After 1 month, the potato is tall. Now it is in the tuber formation stage, so I will take care of it. I use vermicompost, a highly antibacterial, environmentally friendly, and nutritious fertilizer to fertilize the potatoes, and don't forget to water the potatoes. After about 2.5 months, the potatoes are mature. Now we can harvest them to see if they have tubers. Thanks to good potato varieties, proper planting and care, I have large, abundant barrels of potatoes to serve daily meals. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.